Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are actually going to do a little bit of a throwback video right now to answer a comment that I got over the weekend. So it was about the reverse number triangle, how to handle it if it had more than one digit. So if you haven't watched the reverse number triangle video, go back and watch that, and because I'm not going to go through this is just going to be formatting, so we'll go into it. So let's just jump into it. Let's run this. So okay, here it is through and through. Now there's one slight change if you go and look at that video compared to this. So I changed this so I don't have to go in. So this would have been 10, this would have been 10, so I just changed this outside the loop so we can mess with this. So alright, let's change this to 11 and run this again and see what happens. So alright, runs great until we get down here. So these are the only two things that we have to change. So I'm gonna quickly go through this, but if you have not watched print format, go to my channel, type in print or print formatting, or I think there's 3 videos on print, so I'll go more into that, but this is just to answer the questions. So this is how you can use the print format and do this very quickly to accommodate spacing. So now let's just do this for 2 spaces. Actually, let's go through this one at a time. Close this bracket. Format, then our variable. Okay, let's run this. Should be the exact same. Perfect. So this is for 1 digit. So now we have to accommodate 2 digits. So there's 2 things we need to change. That was for 1 digit, 1 digit. So we just went to 2, so we add a space. Here we go. So now it aligns and we have this. So now every time we run this, now let's say we don't even really like that space. Let's say we want this really clear. So we go to 3 digit spaces, and then we need now 3 spaces here. So there we go. So we have our singles, our tens, and then a nice clean break so we can see this over here. So this is how easy you can just change just several things, and you can adjust the format of your print and not have to get too crazy with any combination or if statements. We just go through. So thanks for the comment. Great video idea. Didn't even really think about it. So keep those comments coming. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button, and hope you guys are getting something out of this, and we'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.